Weebish Stew Buddies. Good morning. I don't know how to tell, but according to when she was bred, when the Billy was here, by next Saturday, we should have kids. But that's all depending on Sarah's math. I didn't do the math myself, so we're trusting in her education here. Are you done, Oreo? Come on, girlfriend. Back up. Back up. Come on. No, we're done. Come on. Come on, girlfriend. Go. Come on. Get out of the bucket. Oreo, you mischievous. Definitely getting busy here on the farm this spring with calves to bottle feed and kids to bottle feed and getting ready to move in probably another couple months, which that's exciting. We'll have way more pasture. We'll finally have plenty enough space for everything we have and everything we want to do. So, and it has a pond, so guess who's gonna go fishing? I haven't went fishing in 15 years. Come here, boyfriend. Want some? Want you? My tractor parts finally came. Well, not my tractor, but the tractor parts I've been waiting for. Now I can get that work going. A buddy of mine wants me to do a bunch of stuff to his little putter. Got a chrome stack for it. It's gonna look good. Local construction company got me a set of feed bin rings. They put up a feed bin for somebody and didn't use all the sections the bin came with. So I'm gonna go pick up some bin rings, make another pig hut. I'll have most of the stuff I need to build this thing, but I'm gonna have to go get some more parts. So there you go, we're getting there. This is my idea of a pig hut. I can, these bin rings come up every once in a while, and I get them for relatively cheap. And depending if I gotta buy lumber or not, I can build a 8-foot by 7-foot sturdy hut for less than 200 bucks. So now I gotta get some rebar so I can make a spreader bar up front so I don't spread too far. That's my, I get to play in the blacksmith forge. Fun times. One day when I have time, I'm gonna play around with blacksmithing more, but for now it's just tools I have and I use them when I need something made. It's crude and it doesn't look the best, but I can make something happen. Big hammers and big steel. Bottle feed calves, she said. It'll be fun, she said. No, it is fun because they're awfully cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Getting attacked. Attacked. I don't have udders, dude. You slobbery? Booger you. Oh my goodness.
Hello?